Hi folks, and welcome to the DS Cars video channel. Here today we've got absolute stunner for you. It's a 2017 Volkswagen Tiguan. This is the R-Line 4Motion. Loads of spec. Actually $3,500 of factory options in this car. Finished in the stunning titanium beige, they call this. Makes a change from the white, grey, or so. We have, being the R-Line with the chrome finishers, the LED daytime run lights, LED light package in this one too. Fog lights are in the bottom, cornering lights as well, front parking sensors, LED indicators, 20-inch diamond cut alloys, power folding door mirrors, privacy glass in the rear, roof bars in the top, and pan roof, front half opens, tilts, fully opens, and also it's been super guarded as well, so some sales guy there got his Brucey bonus as well on that one. LED lights at the rear as well, twin exhaust pipes down there. This is, and we have the rear parking sensors as well. Power boot on this one. I'll show you all these features shortly. Let's say $3,500 options on this car when new. Stunning looking car. Then on the inside, front and rear electric windows, folding door mirrors, heated door mirrors. We've got the R-Line leather outers, Alcantara centers, and then cloth 3-tone. R-Line embossed in there. Height adjustable driver's seats. Twin remote keys. So touchscreen DAB radio, Bluetooth, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, all those. Does all those fancy stuff. We can have displayed here. You want to go off-road, angle of descent, height above sea level, all fully customizable. Sport mode, get different gauges. Got sat nav as well, but in all honesty, you'll be, if you're linking your phone up, you'll be using the Google Maps on that. Dual climate control, ice cold aircon, three zone heating, heated front seats. So you can customize then where you want your back warm, back cold, whatever. 7-speed DSG gearbox, 4-wheel drive this one is, and then this is your mode button for off-road, snow use, hill descent, and then you've also then your modes as well, sport mode, eco mode. You customize it yourself. Cubby hole down there, which then turns into a cup holder, bottle holder, whichever you desire. USB and auxiliary inputs in there, 12-volt socket in there as well. Then in here with the MMA unit, CDs and a spare SD slot. Glove box is air conditioned as well, so you can keep the sweeties, drinks, that sort of stuff in there as a wee cool box. more storage in the center armrest. Cruise control, speed limit on the steering wheel, and then this side here controls information on the center screen. So we can go, you can customize your views to whichever you want. As you can see there, 23,870 miles in this one. We've also got the floppy paddles as well, if you want to do your manual gear changing. Everybody has to try it at least once. Button on the end of the indicator stalk is your lane departure. A lot of people likes to switch that off. It will switch back on again the next restart. Auto headlights, front and rear fog lights. Nothing too complicated there. Another wee cubby hole in there. Giant door pockets. Get a man-sized water bottle in there. Alright, no problem. In the back, same again. Giant door pockets. Storage there. Isofix on the outer seats. Center armrest, cup holders. We've got the tablet trays, or a full tray with a cup holder as well. Great size boot, a 40-40-20 split rear seat, storage bins each side, power socket in there, shopping bag holders there. And below the boot floor we have spare wheel, lock and wheel nut key there, jack, all your toolkit there. Fold down the back seats, levers here, and then on this one also has the factory toolbar. Hold that, and lo and behold, tool ball pops out. Has a 13-pin socket. As you can see, it's never been used. And then it just folds away again. So we have air vents in the rear as well, power socket down there, and then temperature adjust the rear passengers can adjust the temperature as well. These back seats will semi-recline and also slide forward and back, give you a bit more room or less room, whatever you require. Sill plates, they light up as well, the ambient lighting there as well. And then you also have little storage bins in the front seats. Height adjustable. This seat will fold flat back, so if you have luggage or something in from the back, you can fold the front seat flat down. In here, 4-cylinder 2-litre petrol, 180 brake horse, 7-speed automatic gearbox. Very smooth driving, plenty of power, and yet reasonably economical as well for the size of the car. So there you are, folks. Comes with 6 months roadside assist warranty, can be extended out to 12 or 24 if you so require. Finance available on this. You can apply online directly from the website. So if you like what you're seeing, want to make an appointment, pick up the phone, give me a shout, and take it from there. Alright folks, you made it this far, you like the video, do no harm, give it a wee thumbs up, helps the channel spread out through the YouTube world. I say, stunning car, a bit of sun came out there, and it's now really starting to pop. That about wraps it up. Alright folks, many thanks for watching.